this video, we will show you how to hide shortcut on Google Chrome. For example, if you open your Google Chrome browser, as default, Google Chrome will show the latest sites as shortcut. Okay, this is the latest site we visit and display as shortcut here. To remove this shortcut or hide this shortcut, you can click Customize Chrome in here on the bottom right corner, and you can select shortcut and choose hide shortcuts. You can click done. Now your Chrome web browser is clean from the shortcut. This is also good for privacy. That's all tutorial how to hide shortcuts from Google Chrome browser. Hope this video helpful for you.